That's right, the 65-inch Mi TV 4S. Now let's quickly go through some details. The design features a premium metal body. It's gorgeous and strong, like you. It's built for form and function. It includes metal legs to keep it upright, but it's also wall mountable, with a profile that suits nearly every home. I wish this were my home, by the way. But more importantly, how about image quality? The Mi TV 4S offers 4K support and also gives you HDR10+, which is a combination that offers crisp, dynamic, and vivid imagery. Visually, the Mi TV 4S 65-inch is incredible. And also from an audio perspective, it has dual speakers, Dolby Audio, and DTS HD, which makes this both a winner to your eyes and your ears. Now, Mi TV 4S offers access to many content providers, so content is not going to be an issue. It also gives you access to the Google Play Store, so you can download whatever you need to make the most of your experience. Now, for convenience, the remote control features a voice control button. I want to spend a bit of time talking about this because it is one of my favorite things about this controller. You see, once you use voice search to search for content on your television, you will really never go back to typing with a remote control, which is a terrible experience. This also comes with a built-in Google Chromecast, so you can cast or mirror your Mi 10 display easily. For connectivity, Mi TV 4S has 3 HDMI and 3 USB ports, and of course, has an Ethernet port and supports Wi-Fi. It's an amazing product. I've been using one at home, and it's perfect for family events or for those long movie marathons at home. Now, in terms of pricing, it's going to be available early bird, starting at just €549. It's an incredible price. The Mi TV 4S will be available at Mi stores starting this June. Please look out for it.